In this video, I'll show you how you can download the Skyblock map in Minecraft. Now first you want to head over to Google, and from in here you want to search for Skyblock map and then your version of your Minecraft. So currently it's 1.21, so I'm gonna choose this one. Consent. Now then what you want to do in here is you want to simply press on download Minecraft map. Wait for it right here. And then when it's done, it's gonna download up here. Continue to the download. Now I have the Minecraft map right here. What I want to do is I want to open up the file. This will be the map. And what you want to do is come down here and search for run. Type %app data %. Press OK. Now in here you want to open up .minecraft. Open up saves. And from in here you want to drag the folder into the saves one. Now if I go to Minecraft right here, you'll see I have it right here. And if I open up this one, you'll be able to see I'm now on the Skyblock. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now there's not really much more to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.